Hey everyone, welcome to another episode on our interesting and unique properties. Today I'm on the River Thames in London. I'm going to be showing you around this houseboat that's for sale with Morvans for £1.795 million. So this houseboat has its location next to Wandsworth Park, and there's actually a riverboat that takes you up to Westminster in around 15 minutes, so a very central location. So we actually just show around. You can see that there's apartments obviously surrounding us. This is a very unique way to live, being on the water. Here's what it looks like from this side. So this is the pontoon area and the moorings, and you can see there's another variety of interesting boats surrounding you. Now I think it's time we show you inside. Come along. I'm sure a lot of you will have many questions about this houseboat. I'll try and answer some of them now. So there is no engine. This is its permanent mooring. Obviously you can tow it along the river if you really wanted to, but this is where you're going to be mooring most likely, and it is freehold. And so you have access to the facilities. You have a swimming pool, off-road parking in a parking area, and also a gymnasium, and that comes along with the mooring charges. This is the outdoor decking area at the back where you've got a ladder up to the roof, and you have great views across the river, which we'll show you shortly. Let's head inside. Okay, let's check out the interior. So I'll put the floor plan on the screen here before we start the tour. You have around 4,500 square feet in total, and it is 5 bedrooms. Now to put that into perspective, houses in this area that are 5 bedrooms are going to be selling upwards of 4 or 5 million depending on the specification. This is the kitchen breakfast area. You have an island here, loads of storage throughout. Now you do have gas on this houseboat, so gas heating, and also the gas hob here. And they have a Miele extractor, some great windows outside where you can look across to the other houseboats and the River Thames. To get this kind of space, even on the apartments next door, I had a look, they're selling for upwards of 2 million. Okay, so yeah, you can see ample storage from there. Now there's a big skylight in the center. 2 options to go downstairs. So you've got a staircase at the, well, I guess this is the back of the boat, and the front, there is another one down there. Let's move forward on this floor first. We've got the main WC and some more storage. And check out this living area. Absolutely, lovely size. Again, great windows throughout. You've got, 5 porthole windows up there. Makes you really feel like you're on a boat, which of course you are. And so they've kind of broken the space up with the staircase in the middle. This area is a dining area, and from here you've got great views. So come over here, Summer. That's views across the Thames. Just need a jet ski to pop in, and that's how you commute to work. Here there is 2 doors out to the front patio area. It's a little icy on there at the moment, so we're not going to go out. Yeah, what do you think? Let us know so far what your thoughts are. Would you live on a houseboat like this? And if you have any questions, let us know below. We'll try and get them answered. Okay. Wait, should we go down the front end? Yeah, let's go down those stairs. Here we are. So downstairs. Now, as I said, there's 5 bedrooms. And they're all really great sizes, I must admit. We're going to start at the stern of the boat towards the back, and there is 5 bedrooms. So this is the principal bedroom of the boat. You walk in, you have this amazing study space, which of course could be a big dressing room if you wanted. And now we're almost at the level of the water.
Let's see.
Okay, come check out this bedroom. Look at the size, pretty impressive, right? It's so interesting exploring all these different style properties and knowing that we're in the middle of London, but on the water. So you've got plenty of space for the bed over here. I'll close these doors. What you've got in here, the light's not on at the moment, but there's a built-in wardrobe that you can actually walk in. And here is the ensuite up these steps. Fine for head height, and I'm pretty tall at 6'4". Freestanding bath, shower over here with lots of storage. And I don't know if I mentioned at the start, but it is freehold, and so you are just paying annually for the mooring fees. Should we keep exploring? Next up, we've got the laundry room, the washer and dryer. Here's another bedroom. Of course, you walk through the ensuite first, where you have a bath and shower. And you can use that bathroom we've just been through as like a Jack and Jill bathroom for the main boat as well. Another good double room. Mm-hmm. And to have this much space on a yacht that you would take out at sea, it would be like 10 times the price. What's next? So I believe this is another bedroom, but it's currently used for storage. So just have a peek. Now this space is quite unique because it can be used as bedrooms. It's accessed by that other stairway that we looked at from the start. You can keep this completely separate to the rest of the boat. And then across this side,
it's also like another living room
yeah,
down here.
Yeah, exactly.
And there's 2 more bedrooms.
Pretty cool, right? What have we got? So this here is a bathroom. Here we are.
Shall we head up those set of stairs there?
Let's do it. Okay, now we're going to take you up to the roof terrace. A little more in terms of location then. What I'll do is put a map on the screen of our exact position here, so you can see where we are in comparison to central London and other areas you may recognise. We're around a 15 minutes away from East Putney Underground Station, which obviously has great routes throughout London as well. Now check out the view across the river from up here. So it was great fun taking a look around this houseboat. We're always after seeing more interesting properties. So if you do have one or you know one that would be great to tour, make sure to send us an email with some more info. But let us know in the comments what you think to this property. Would you live on a houseboat? What your thoughts are and what common questions you have about this way of living really. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like this video, subscribe for more house tours. We're posting new ones every week and we'll see you guys in the next episode.